may you know that one of the biggest influences you have on CO2, climate change, and so on is the way you eat, you know, because there's like 75% of the world agricultural area is used for food crops, for animals. We are using all these crops to feed animals. So there's like lots and lots of soybean production and these kind of things going on, just to produce food for animals, which we then eat. So and like especially like red meat, cows and stuff, they are producing lots and lots of methane anyway. So that's especially bad for the environment. And if everybody would go vegan from like this in the whole world, then it's said that like for about 50 years, we would use dramatically less agricultural space. We can like reduce all these, where deforestation, where people are cutting forests to produce crops, that could be reversed, and we could actually be planting forests. And that will take, if you plant forests in a really enormous scale in the world, all these lost areas, reforest them, that would really bring a big effect for like 50 years or so until these forests are really grown up, and make really a difference in the world. There's a really nice study about this. So you want to influence climate change? Start eating differently. And as I found out that I have too much weight, I wanted to make a diet, so I was like 96 kilograms. And I said, I really have to do something now. So the plan is to really lose weight, like roughly like 1 kilogram per week is the idea. So we are going to base our diet on how we can optimize this for CO2 production. So not really red meat, not dairy products, looking for replacements and so on. So that's going to be sort of fun, and I'm going to look at really what are the things really which are good to eat, and also like a lot of food in the world is thrown away. So that's like one problem. A lot of food is just destroyed. So just eating the stuff you buy is really important, because otherwise it's producing more CO2. And as well, in a lot of developed countries, people are eating much too much calories. So it's like 30 to 50% too much of calories what people actually eat. So we would altogether, we can just eat less. That would be great. And if we just throw away less, that would be perfect. And if we then all, base our diet optimized for CO2, we can reforest the planet and do really a dent in the curve of climate change. That's important. So you can start by following this channel. Thank you very much for watching.